Now let's try to use the this one. So bounding box. Okay, so bounding box is nothing but it is just the area of interest. Okay, you wanted to like plot your own area of interest into that image, right? So for that you wanted to like draw the bounding box over this image. So again I am just calling the image draw. Okay, image draw is basically from the Pillow library. I'm going to pass the image. I'm going to draw the rectangle. I will be passing the two coordinate. Okay, so this is my the top left coordinate and this is my the bottom right coordinate, and these two coordinates are sufficient enough to like draw the bounding boxes. Okay, because see, this coordinate I have, this coordinate I have, can I able to find out this coordinate, right, by adding these two? Can I able to find out this coordinate by like subtracting these two, right? Because the x is actually the same, right? I just need to find out the y here. Similarly here I just need to find out the x and y, right? So in this way these things are actually internally do it by itself. Okay, so you don't need to do any pre-processing thing. Similarly, let's say that if I wanted to shift a bounding box a little above. Okay, so let's say 300. Okay, so it will going to shift it above.